Hi, this is Leslie Josel, academic and parenting coach of Order Out of Chaos, and you are watching another episode of Lessons with Leslie. Sometimes your student comes home from school and they've been told that they are required to have multiple supplies for just one subject. Sometimes they have to even carry a binder, a folder, their academic planner, even the book they're reading for English class. And you know, if they can't get to their locker or if they're not allowed to carry around a knapsack at school, something's going to get lost or something is absolutely going to be forgotten. So here's my favorite tool so that never happens. It's called a Delta sleeve and it's made for students. And what you do is you just take all of the supplies for that one class and you stick it right in. And what I love the most about it is that it's big so they can't miss it, but it's clear so they see what they own, and it can be labeled or it can be color coded. This one's labeled red for, say, social studies or English. You can make math green. Your student can have multiple of them. They fit in knapsacks, they fit in the locker. So go on deltaplanner.com, look for student sleeves. They're awesome. But here's even one of my favorite things. We know there's always that one teacher that hands back the test or the paper as your student is running out of the class to get to their next class. So where do we want it to go? Not in the bottom of the knapsack, not on the floor. They can just stick it right in here until they get somewhere else where they have to put it. It's an awesome organizing tool. deltaplanner.com.